Affordable freedom without the burden of a nightmare mortgage? Introducing our tiny house kits under $10,000, a solution that empowers you to live large while spending small. Picture your dream home, then reality strikes with nightmare mortgages and a sea of debt. Far from the dream, right? Well, cue the superhero music because tiny house kits under $10,000 are swooping in to save the day. Let's make it happen with tiny house kits. Hello, modular home explorers, eager to discover the secret behind the ultimate modular solution. Drumroll, please. Ta-da! Discover Etsy's TMS Home Decor Foldable, Fabulous Mobile Shed. Spacious surprises packed in a compact design. Built tough with galvanized steel, this shed laughs in the face of termites, rain, and snow. Peek outside with 2 windows just for fun. Lockable door? Check. And dance all you want. The floor's got you covered. TMS Home Decor's 20 by 8 by 8 foot mobile modular home is $6,999. Hey, future cabin owner, dive into cool living spaces with our arched cabin. Your ticket to comfy living, smart design, all under $10K. Let's peek inside. Room to play. With 320 square feet, turn dreams into reality. Think cozy bedrooms. A full bathroom. A chic kitchen. Turn it into a cool office or hangout. That arch fights off the weather, keeping you comfy. From floor plates to ridge beams, dive into a DIY adventure with all parts ready. The arched cabin 16 foot wide by 20 foot deep for $9,000. Dream Dome alert on Etsy. Step into a world of sleek design and green living with the signature GEO Dome package. Inside the box, your dream dome in cool colors, a big sunny bay window, a privacy curtain, peekaboo portholes, a sleek contemporary kitchen, cozy insulation for all seasons, and more. It's everything you need for your comfy, stylish hideaway. With a price tag of $9,680 for signature GEO Dome, 20 feet diameter. Oh, yes, a cabin with durable Nordic wood walls. Hold on to your hard hats. Here comes the ALLWOOD Chloe, a nifty nook that melds the rustic romance of cabin life with just a hint of modern luxury. Chloe, trendy in Nordic spruce, she's a stunner with flexibility. Pick your bathroom style, half bath or 3/4 bath. Bask in the light from generous windows and dive into a DIY adventure. ALLWOOD Chloe at 123 square feet and for around $9,000. Introducing the ALLWOOD MAYFLOWER. It's a blend of classic Little House on the Prairie charm with a sprinkle of modern flair. Sturdy and snazzy. Meet our Nordic spruce wonder, likely the envy of the forest. Enjoy the classic wagon vibe, oxen not required. Revel in the sunshine pouring through splendid windows. A DIY dream with easy-to-follow steps, making it a breeze for the seasoned builder. ALLWOOD MAYFLOWER, 117 square feet, studio kit cabin for $8,800. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. For detailed information on each of these tiny home kits, please click the links provided in the description below. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.